Good morning, everyone. I forgot to turn my spotlight on. Let me see. This is Thursday, April 16th. Not much happening. I finished yesterday at $85. Oof. Oof. Oofy, oofy. Nothing today. Yes, I only got 4 orders going out, so it will not be a long video, but I'll make it a long video. I don't have any really special topics to talk about at all. So let's go ahead and get pulling. At least the 3 of the cards were, I guess, originally over $20. How about you? Your sales slowing down? Again, is the summer slowdown early? It has been pretty nice around here for, only April 16th? I think I read something the other day that said that we now enjoy an extra month of summer. Again, I guess they do that, based on temperatures. That's fine. Another extra month of using the pool, which I took the cover off yesterday. Oh, it was bad. It's probably the worst it's been. I did not put enough. I guess I did not put enough closing chemicals in it. But my backyard gets direct sun, even in the winter. It's south facing, so it gets just direct sun all day long. No trees, and yeah, it was just a green mess. I actually shot some video of it, and maybe I'll put out a reel of trying to clean it up. Got to do better than my other stuff. Probably will do better than my other stuff. I'll pivot from postcards to pool maintenance. Popeye's pool maintenance. Well, where are they? Yeah, I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday, and I got bleach on it, so can't take me anywhere. I'm not out to impress anybody. So yeah, Popeye's pool maintenance. That doesn't sound right. We need another P in there. Don't pee in the pool. So there's that one. Thornhurst, Pennsylvania. Never heard of it. AF12. Today I hope to work on the Continental cards from that buyout. I need to start working on those. I finished the standard size, and most of that is coming to Whatnot. Like I said, I'm doing that giveaway show, 100 plus giveaways, but I'll have some buy it nows in the store, or buy nows, whatever they call it. Massachusetts. Wow, I sold a card $24. I mean, I took an offer for it, but a Massachusetts card for $25. So other than that, I really don't. Yeah, I gotta sort those. It's funny. I went and got my Dunkalate yesterday, and I usually just go through the drive-through. And as I was heading around to the side of the store to get to what's going on here? It's weird. You're not going to be able to see it. No, maybe you can. It's a brand new sleeve or a brand new top loader, and there's like stuff inside that is preventing the sleeved card from going in. That's weird. But anyway, I was going around the side of, that one's perfectly clear, of Dunkin' Donuts, and I saw my guy Dave, his van was there, and I was like, I'll go in and have some coffee with Dave. So yeah, I'm like that. I'm now officially like those old people at McDonald's with their morning coffee. I've graduated. I think Dave's in his late 70s, something like that. So, yeah, just talking postcards. He was telling me about some ball card auction. Showed me, was it a Willie Mays card for 130,000? I don't know. I can't remember the name of the auction. If anybody's even any interested in that. ouch. And again, my pool was disgusting, but workman's comp claim, that probably won't pick up. But that's from cleaning the lens on my Epson. Twice it got me. And then I stupidly stuck this hand down in the green depths of the pool. You couldn't see a foot down into the pool. I had to take the covers off the returns. So I'll either turn into the creature from the Black Lagoon or some flesh-eating bacteria. Why not? So anyway, yeah, talking today for a little bit. And said I'll be picking up those cards next week. So just a reminder, no video Monday or Tuesday, and I should be able to do a video Tuesday and Wednesday, or Wednesday and Thursday, and then it's off to Allentown Friday. So there'll be a road tripping and postcard picking, less cringe. Out with less cringe. There we go. Probably the next couple weeks. I did put up a video last night. Actually, I put 3 videos out yesterday. The one last night was the Having a Great show. I didn't show everything. I figure when that stuff sells, the members will see that during the Bolo What Sold video. So there's that. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I can hold out hope here when I do a refresh. Nothing. Anybody else have issues this morning with eBay? Kept getting issues. It wouldn't go to my homepage, and stuff like that. So I don't know. Let me know if you have if you're seeing any problems with eBay, except, obviously low sales. I think it's the gas and it's the summer slowdown. Okay, I'm trying to stretch it. There it is, 8 minutes. At least try to get to 8 minutes. And you know what? I did have a $200 card stay order come in. Yeah, so at least that saved the day. Now I just gotta pack up the card stays. It almost wipes me out what they bought. So anyway, here we go. Kalamazoo this weekend, starting on Friday and Saturday. Kalamazoo, Michigan. Oldsmar, Florida, the 18th. Also in Kent, Washington. Socrates, New York on Sunday. And then we get into Georgia. Oh, there you go. Is that a new one? So we got Roswell, Georgia. Rocky River, Ohio. There's Allentown, and then California. Lots and lots of shows coming up. So make sure you get to a show. And just, I'll put this out. I wasn't asked to do this. Crazy Lamp Lady wouldn't know me from Adam. I will be attending, not as a vendor. I'll be going as a buyer. Probably on that Saturday, maybe Friday, but it costs more to get in on Friday. But anyway, the Carlisle, Pennsylvania Antique Fest, they used to have a great antique fest up there. It's 20 years at least, maybe even longer. If you're a vendor, or if you know a vendor, tell them to bring postcards, because I will be coming and I want to buy postcards in 21 days. So, okay, everybody, I made it to almost 10 minutes. I hope you all have a great day. Hope you have good sales. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I can answer them. And if you do like this type of me, like and subscribe. I appreciate that. Y'all have a great day. 10 minutes.